just spent the last, I don't know, 5 minutes explaining what I was going to do here, and I didn't record it. So let me just kind of give you a heads up. I put this belt on here so I would not have to take the entire front of this thing apart to put a belt on. Totally ridiculous, but they did have the forethought to make this a two-piece, so maybe I'll only have to take half of the fan shroud off, and maybe then I can actually, you know, slinky a belt on there, snake a belt on there, wiggle it around, you know, get it through these belts, and then on the back here, because this belt yeah, I read that some people have done this, but it will not work on this AC. So I've already done everything I can with that. It was miserable yesterday trying to mow or trying to plow in this thing with it being, you know, 90 degrees, and I was basically cooking in there. So I'm gonna see if I can make it work. It's worth it to me because it rained. We can't really do anything. Ryan got half of that planted, and probably won't be able to get out there again for another day. Loosened off the alternator and pulled these two over, and what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to take this off, and I don't have to snake this out, but I'm going to try to snake it out a little bit and just make sure that at this length I could actually get it around all the fan blades. If you're just now joining me, no, I am not stupid. I know this belt goes apart, but actually I'm trying to see if I can actually get a new proper belt around this fan blade by taking off this link belt, and it looks good. Looking like I could actually do it. And this belt is actually too long, so I've got to go find a belt that's probably 2 inches shorter than this. I'll probably have one somewhere, so we'll go see. I had to go to town and get a belt, and it was kind of hard to match up because people they're just not able to look up this stuff. So I got the fattest belt because I'm pretty sure what was on there was the wrong size. That looks like a 1/2 inch to me. This is a little bit bigger, but I think it should work. perfect fit, because this has just a little bit of play in it, and it's at its lowest setting, so I think it's perfect. And then of course much beefier belt. The other one was crappy. Got the alternator back on, tighten back up, that back on, tighten this down real good, we'll be done. Okay, so there is another problem here, and I'd forgotten about this, but if you'll notice, this thing's trying to curve just a little bit. Original bolt that went in here is gone, and it's larger than this, so I've got to find a bolt that's gonna fit that'll actually make this thing set up like it's supposed to, and solve that issue where it's trying to slightly turn, which wears on the belt. Test this bad boy out. Hopefully it'll start. Get all the dirt in here. Yes, you don't have enough juice. I'm not even gonna mess around with that. These batteries are kind of crappy in here, so go get the charger. Okay, we got her hooked up. With that right, Ellie, we got it all hooked up. Yeah. So we'll let this charge a little bit. I went ahead and blew this out. I wasn't going to film it because it's absolutely disgusting. Almost. Okay, so we'll have to go to this backup plan. This is the backup plan right here.